बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़्दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा अल्लाहुम्मा फ़क़िहना फ़िद्दीन आमीन. Dear students, in previous class we learned how to draw a Venn diagram of A union B, A intersection B, similarly complement and difference of two sets. Today we will start inshallah our exercise 1.5 and we will try to complete it. Exercise 1.5, question number 1. Shade the diagrams according to given operations. Part number 1, A intersection B. A is a subset of B. Student, this diagram is given in the question. You can see here a rectangle. The rectangle shows universal set. Inside the rectangle we have two circles, a big circle and a small circle. Small circle is inside the big circle. A is a subset of B, means all the elements of set A are present in set B. A is present in set B. Now question is, this is set A, this is set B. Small circle shows set A and big circle shows that it is set B. Question is shade the diagram according to the operation. The operation that is given to you is A intersection B, and you have to shade here according to A intersection B. Now A intersection B means common elements of set A and B. Now students, see these two circles. Which is the common portion between A and B? We have to shade the common portion of circle A and B. So which is the common portion between these two circles? This portion A. So here I shaded A. This shows what A intersection B. Part number 2 is A union B. You have to shade A union B. While B is a subset of A, this diagram is given in your question. You can see here two circles. B, these circles shows B is in the smaller circle, that shows that B is a subset of A. Now question is that shade the portion of A union B. Now what is the meaning of A union B? A union B means all the elements of set A and set B. So Venn diagram shows that hold the portion of A and B. You have to shade, since it is union, so we have to shade all the portion of set A and B. As in union we take all the elements of set A and B. So here I shaded whole the portion of set A and set B. Part number 3 is A minus B for disjoint sets. From this diagram it is clear that A and B are disjoint sets. Disjoint means nothing is common between A and B. There is no element common between A and B. They are disjoint sets. Now question is shade A minus B. Students, A minus B means all the elements of set A which are not present in B. So you have to shade all the elements of A, means you have to shade portion A, because A minus B answer is all the elements of set A which are not present in B. So we have to shade the portion of A which is not present in B. Since whole the portion of A is not present in B, so we will shade whole the portion of set A. Part number 4 is B complement. Means in this diagram you have to shade B complement. In this diagram, universal set is given to you and a set B is given to you. Now students, B complement means U minus B. U minus B means you have to shade portion of U that is not present in B. So here I shaded all the portion of U that is not present in B. We will shade whole the portion of set U. Part number 5 is A intersection B when they are overlapping sets. Overlapping sets are those sets in which at least one element is common. at least one element is common between A and B. So you can see here the given diagram that a portion of circle A and B is common. We can see here the common portion between A and B. This common portion tells us that A and B are overlapping sets. Now students, in this diagram you have to shade A intersection B. Intersection means common elements of set A and B, means you have to shade common portion of A and B. So which is the common portion? This is the common portion that is inside A and B, the common portion you have to shade. Part number 6 is A union B for disjoint sets. Diagram shows that A and B are disjoints. Disjoints means nothing is common between A and B. There is no common element between A and B. Now, question is shade A union B. A union B means all the elements of set A and B. So you have to shade whole the portion of set A and B. So here I shaded whole the portion of set A and set B. Question number 2 is, if U universal set is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 10, A is equal to 1, 4, 8, 9, 10 and B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 7, 10, then show that A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Students, here question is show that means you have to show A minus B is not equal to B minus A through Venn diagram. We will make the Venn diagram of A minus B, B minus A, and through Venn diagram we will show that these two are not equal. Let's start solution. First of all students, we will make the diagram of A minus B. How? Draw a rectangle, then draw two sets A and B. First of all, see your sets A and B. They are disjoint or overlapping. See with there is anything common between them. 4 is present in first set, 4 is also here. Any other thing which is common? Yes. 10 is present over here, 10 is also present over here. Means these are overlapping set. Why these are overlapping? Because there are two elements common between them, so they are overlapping sets. So first of all, we will draw two circles just like this, that they have a common portion between them. First of all, draw the empty circles. The next step is you have to shade which portion. Since you will shade A minus B means all the elements of set A which are not present in B. So we will shade the portion of A which is not present in B. We will not shade this complete portion of A. This portion in which I have written 4 and 10, that is the portion of B. Got it? So we will shade only the portion of A which is not present in B. Since this portion of A is present in B, so we will not shade A in A minus B, we will shade whole the portion of set A. Similarly, see here B minus A. B minus A means all the element of B. So we will shade in B minus A portion of B which is not present in A. Students, here you can see elements are written. In A we have 1, 8, 9 that are uncommon. In common portion I have written here 4 and 10 because 4 and 10 are common between them, and then in B I have written 2, 3, 7 uncommon, and common are written over here. Similarly, the elements are written over here. Now in the next step, simply find A minus B. First we will write set A, then minus sign, then set B. Now A minus B means simply from set A cut out the elements of set B. Which elements? 4 and 10. Cut out 4 and 10. What is your answer? 1, 8 and 9. Similarly here I find B minus A. B minus A means first write elements of B, then minus, then A. Now from set B cut out the elements of set A. Which elements of A are present over here? 4 and 10 cut out. The remaining elements are 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7. Answer of A minus B is 189, while B minus A answer is 237. Hence it is shown that A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Similarly, this diagram shows that A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Part number 2 is show that A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. So first of all, students, we will draw a rectangle. Then we will draw two circles A and B. Since in question you have already seen that they are overlapping set, 4 and 10 are common between A and B. So we will draw two circles just like this, that they have a common portion between them. Got it? After that, you have to shade A intersection B. Intersection means you have to shade the common portion. So which is the common portion? This middle portion is the common, so simply shade this portion. Similarly, now we will draw a diagram of B intersection A, draw a rectangle, draw two circles just like they have a common portion between them. Now, B intersection means common portion of B and A should be shaded. So which is the common portion of this circle and this circle? The mid one. See, are they equal? Yes, we have the same diagram, same middle portion is shaded in both the diagrams. Similarly, we will find A intersection B. First write elements of A, then sign of intersection, then sign elements of set B. So in intersection, students, we will write common elements of both the sets. Which elements are common? 4, 10, 4 and 10. 4 and 10 are such elements which are present in set A and in set B. So 4 and 10 is the answer of A intersection B. Similarly, here we find B intersection A. First, I'll write here elements of B, then elements of A. Now, in intersection, we will find the common elements of both the sets. Which are the common elements? 4, 10, 4, 10. So, answer is 4, 10. Now, see here. A intersection B, 4, 10. B intersection A is also 4, 10. Hence, it is shown that A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Part number 3 is show that A union B is equal to B union A. So first of all, we will draw a rectangle. Then we will draw two circles A and B. The circles should be first empty. Then we will write all the elements of A, all the elements of B, and in common portion we will write common elements of set A and set B. Now question is shade A union B. A union B means, what is the meaning of union? All the elements of set A and B. So we will shade whole the portion of set A and B as union B. Union means whole the portion of A and B. So here we will shade whole the portion of A and B. Similarly, students, in B union A, we will draw two sets B and A. Again, the which portion should be shaded? Whole the portion of B and A. So we will shade whole the portion of B and A. Look at both the diagrams. Both the diagrams are equal. Now we will find A union B. First write elements of A, then sign of union, then elements of B. In next step, we will take union of this set and this set. Union means we will combine all the elements of set A and set B inside one set. But must remember, there should be no repetition. So I combine here all the elements. We will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Similarly, here we find B union A. First we will write elements of set B, then union, and then set A elements. Now in next step, take the union of these two sets, means combine all the elements of set B and A inside one set. Now look at these two sets. Are they equal? Yes. Hence it is shown that A union B is equal to B union A, and it is also shown in the diagram. Part number 4 is show that A complement is not equal to B complement. So students, first we will draw the diagram of A complement. How we will draw? A universal set U, and in A complement we have only set A. As A complement is equal to U minus A, so we need only universal set and set A. So in rectangle we will draw simple set A. Now A complement means that U minus A, all the elements of set U which are not present in set A. So which portion will be shaded? The portion of U that is not present in A. Which portion of U is not present in A? The outer portion, this. So we have to shade this portion. Now we will draw B complement. For this purpose we will draw universal set U. Inside U we will draw a set B. Now B complement means U minus B means whole the portion of set U which is not present in set B. So which portion is not present in B? This outer portion is not present, so we have shaded this portion. In next step, find A complement. A complement means U minus A. We will write set U, then minus, then A. Now students, we will write all those elements of set A which are not these ones. We will not write 1, 4, 8, 9, 10 in A complement. Got it? 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 is our answer. In B complement, we will write U minus B, set U minus set B. So what will be answer? Elements of set U which are not 2, 3, 4, 7 and 10. Simply subtract these elements from this set and remaining is your answer 1, 5, 6, 8, 9. Look at A complement and B complement. Are they equal? 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 and this. These sets are not equal. Hence it is shown that A complement is not equal to B complement. Students, see here. In A complement we have 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 while in B complement we have 1, 5, 6, 8, 9. Inside A we have elements of A, inside B we have elements of B and remaining elements should be written in outer portion. Inside A we have elements of A and remaining elements should be written in the outer portion. In homework, students, solve exercise 1.5 question number 1 on book. You have to shade only in question number 1 and do shade on your book. And question number 2 on your NEET registers and send your clear images of your work till 9 p.m. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.